Are you still using those boring static graphs and charts in your videos, spending hours to create one? Not anymore. With Filmora 15's new chart animation feature, you can make basic to advanced charts within minutes. You just have to add your data and your animation is ready. Here I'm in Filmora 15, which was launched recently with amazing new features. You can try it for free through the link in the description. First, go to the Effects tab. Then in Categories, you will see an option called Exclusive V15. Click on it and you will get the animated chart option. Once you select it, a new dedicated chart editor window will appear. On the left side, you'll find a wide range of chart types that you can instantly use. There are multiple pre-made templates designed for different types of data visualization, so whether you're creating a YouTube tutorial, a presentation slide, or a social media breakdown, you'll definitely find a chart that fits your content style. After selecting the chart, you can also adjust the layout completely. Filmora gives you options for different resolutions depending on the platform. Choose 16.9 for standard videos, 9:16 for shorts or reels, or 1.1 if you are posting on Instagram. Just pick the layout that matches your project. Next, head over to the Settings panel, where you can fully customize the appearance of your chart. You can change the theme, switch between different color palettes, or build your own custom color combination. Under the Lines and Dots section, you can fine-tune the visual style of your graph. Adjust the thickness of the line, change it from straight to curved, switch between solid or dashed lines, and customize the exact color you want. With the dots, you can highlight important data points by enabling them and modifying their radius. This helps viewers instantly notice the most important areas of your graph. Then, by enabling labels, you can display text on each point or bar and adjust the font size to make your information more readable. You can also fine-tune the X and Y axis positions to control how your chart appears from top, bottom. After that, you have full control over the chart background. You can swap the background color, add a clean header for titles. Under the Animation tab, choose how your chart will animate. You can make it grow from start to finish, fade smoothly into place, or slide in based on your preferred timing. And yes, you can adjust the animation duration too, so it matches the pacing of your video. Now let's talk about adding the actual data. Go to the Data option above the chart and click Data. Here, you can manually edit each column by double-clicking and entering your values. But if you already have an Excel or CSV file with prepared data, simply upload it, and Filmora will automatically import all the values into the chart. Once everything is ready, click Add to Timeline. Your animated chart will appear directly on the timeline, where you can adjust its position, scale, rotation, and duration like any other clip. That's how easy it is to create clean, modern, animated charts using Filmora 15. You can try Filmora for free through the link in the description. That's it for this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.